What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. In today's video we're gonna replace the battery for a Honda Pilot. This is a 2017 Honda Pilot. So we're gonna change it because it's already bad. Okay, so let's replace the battery. Let's do it. Okay, this is the battery I got from Advanced Auto Parts. This is the dyed hard powerhead platinum, and the part number is 48H6RP. Okay, so let's remove the old one. Let's see how hard it is to remove it. Okay, the first thing, we have to open the hood. Let's see. So here, that's the hood, and it has a little tab that you can move in here. Lift this one a little bit, and then you can open this. So next we have to put this stick in here. Yeah, right there. Okay, now the next step is to remove this plastic, because this air duct is on the way to remove the battery. Okay, so this one, it has some clips. You have to pull up like this, yeah, like that. Pull up. Okay. And there and here, be careful in here not to break the plastic, and like that. So the first plastic is removed. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty. So the next one is to remove these two screws, but I have a easy way to remove this one with a trim tool. You can use a screwdriver. These one are like a little screws, but I'm gonna use a trim tool. So for this one, you can use a screwdriver. It's very easy, but I have this trim. So all you have to do is lift it up like this on the sides. Go little by little, like this, and it's going super easy. You see? I think this is easier than a screwdriver. So I'm gonna put it here, that way I don't lose it. Same thing, it has a little notch right there, so in there I just lift it like this. This is just plastic. See? Go one side and then the other side. That's it. Boom. That's it. Okay. So now, let me put this one over. Now we just have to remove this plastic. You just lift this one up and remove it from here. Like, wiggle this a little bit, like this, wiggle. Oh, sorry, I'm using just one hand. Yeah. Right there. I got it. So this one just goes boom like that in there. And here is the battery. A little bit dirty. Okay, so it's ready. Make sure this one is tight, that doesn't move, the battery doesn't move, and this one too. Make sure the connections are tight. It's good. Okay, so that's it. So I just have to put the thing back from here and the cover, and that's it. So but before we do that, let me turn it on. Let's see if it works. So we have to check first. Let's see if this works. Okay, so let's put it in brake. Press the button. Yes. Yeah, the battery was bad because it's already a 5-year-old battery, so that's why. Okay, so it's amazing, it's done. Okay guys, the battery is replaced. Remember to put everything back before you close or you test the battery, and test the battery first. Okay, so the battery, it was bad because it's already a 5-year-old battery. This is a 2017 Honda Pilot, and also I left something connected to the USB, and I think that's the thing that drained the battery. But now it's great. I have a new battery. Everything is amazing. The link for this product is gonna be on the description down below if you wanna get the battery. I'm gonna put the part number if you wanna get it also at your local auto parts store. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.